किए जाए और इस पर आगे हम काम कर सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। क्वेश्चन नंबर 303 श्री जोस जॉर्ज।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 303।
यस
महोदय, एक उत्तर सदन के पटल पर रख दिया गया।
यस प्रश्न पूछिए।
Ours is a multilingual country with 22 official languages and 12 scripts. And in India, only 5% of the people knows English. And rest are deprived of benefits of information communication technology due to their lack of knowledge in English. Madam, this our program, Technology Development for Indian Languages program, is a very important program. This is having a lot of things to do for the upliftment of the lives of the poor people in agrarian area. Here, the benefits of information technology can reach to the common man only when software tools and human machine interface spaces are available in their own language. For these developmental aspects, Honorable Minister was kind enough to give me an answer. For all our languages having these developmental activities are there, technology tools are there. But my specific question is, now we are for our Honorable Prime Minister has announced the Jan Dhan Yojana also. We are focusing on banking for the poor. We are focusing on tourism. We are focusing on health aspects also. There, technology has a vital role to play. My specific question is, ma'am, whether that
ये भी एक स्किल है स्पेसिफिक और तुरंत प्रश्न।
yeah, my specific question is whether the government is having any program to have some technological tools and other technological advancement schemes in banking and health sectors.
Yes.
Madam, I want to inform this Honorable House that in a population of India of 1.1 billion plus, we have 97.5 crore mobiles in India, a big growth sector. In our internet service providers have given the statistics. By the last year end, we have got 30 crore internet connectivity in India. Therefore, we have surpassed America and we are second to China. It's a matter of great growth. In terms of smartphones, India has got the biggest consumption after America. In this connection, our Prime Minister took the initiative of Digital India. Digital India is more for the poor, underprivileged. In the last question, Madam, a question was asked, what the scenario we are unfolding? That by the use of these new technology, carpenters, barbers, electricians, farmers can find new jobs. And it is happening what we are going to coordinate. But this cannot happen if it is only English. Therefore, technological development of Indian languages became the key program of our government. And I wish to inform this Honorable House with great degree of happiness that we have developed tools in 22 languages for font, for immediate translation of the same in English script, for translation, etc. And we consciously distributed those CDs in 12 lakh CDs.
What are the languages?
All the 22 constitutionally recognized languages of India. I want to assure this House. And the Prime Minister was very keen, it must go in all the languages. And today, about 1.27 crores of these software, which is on the website, have been downloaded. All are being used. And it is our mission that the entire software technology language is available in local languages, that we are doing our best. As far as SMS is concerned, Madam, I want to inform, we have got a mobile seva, whereby we are sending messages in 5 Indian languages simultaneously translated. I have told the department to further improve it in the Department of Information Technology. Therefore, all these efforts are going, and I'm sure they will bring in results.
Yes, second supplementary.
Madam, my second supplementary question is regarding the international standardization of our language system.
Yeah.
I would like to know from the Honorable Minister that what are the steps taken for standardizing our language tools internationally through our international standardization bodies.
Obviously, whenever these languages are going to be a software language, there is a proper process of standardization. Not only in terms of transliteration. What is transliteration? If something is said in Malayalam, it will immediately come in English script. But it has to be translated. And I have told the department that it should be a standardization in a manner that if something good idea is coming from Malayalam, it must be available to farmers of Bihar and vice versa. That's the whole process is going on. Because we feel, Honorable Speaker, that internet is one of the finest creation of human mind. But internet to become global must be properly local as well, and what we call glocal. Therefore, we have also got Unicode storage standard for proper maintenance of these languages.
Shri K. Kamaraj ji.